Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of formatting your text into bold in Telegram. By using bold text, you can emphasize certain words or phrases and make your messages stand out. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of formatting your text into bold in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on a chat where you want to type your message. Start typing your text as you normally would. Step 3. To format a specific word or phrase into bold, follow it with 2 asterisks before and after the text. For example, if you want to make the word hello bold, type hello. Step 4. Once you've entered the desired text and added the asterisks, simply send the message. Your text will appear in bold format to the recipients. By following these simple steps, you can easily format your text into bold in Telegram, adding emphasis and making your messages more expressive. Remember, the use of bold text can help draw attention to important words or make your messages more impactful. Thank you for watching, and enjoy adding bold formatting to your Telegram messages.